Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm playing around. I'm using my flip phone and I taped a 10X close-up lens to it that was meant for a camera. I'm getting closer. This is my little experiment. I want to see how close I can get. It's just starting to go blur. But the edge looks like it's inside the USB. Whoop. That's a nice close-up. Okay, that's blur. There we go. Okay. Now, every time I move it, it tends to blur a bit. And the reason for that is this camera is going at about 24 frames per second rather than the usual 30 frames per second of real cameras. And the difference is, to prevent blurring on motion, the camera has to be taking snapshots faster than the rate of your retina. And I've forgotten what our retina rate is, but maybe one of you geniuses will put it in a comment. So this is a 10X taped onto the, and why would I do this? Because there's some wildflowers that I come across that I'd like to get close to because they're tiny with my flip phone. There it is. See, if I move it, it really blurs because of the low, slow frame rate. Steve AB4L, just an idiot fooling around, saying see you in 73.